Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel Dream of Crafts, and today we will be working on week 15 of my 52 weeks of Christmas, and I've got some things prepped so it's a nice quick simple one. We're going to start with an old rusted largemouth jar ring. I'm not going to paint it, I'm not going to do anything to them, just like that. I've taken this and on a cereal box, or actually this is a popcorn box, I've set it down, drew around and cut out this circle. This is going to be glued on the back here. So we'll go ahead and do that. And I'm going to put it on the actual paper here first, because if I put it on the metal, it dries before you can get all the way around, because the metal cools it down too fast. So we're just going to sit that on there, just like so. Give it a good press. I also have a piece of ribbon from my stash, just a silver, inexpensive ribbon. And I'm going to add some hot glue on the back of this. It doesn't matter where right now because we have no up or down. And we're going to stick this right in there. Let me get my poker here. There we go. Okay. And I've pre-cut, oops, be careful, I've got some wet stuff here. I pre-cut this piece out of, this is Authentique Solitude Collection. And I only have the one sheet of this, so I wanted this bird. Of course, it's not wide enough to fit the whole size of the lid, but we're going to cover that up so it won't be visible. I've taken my art glitter glue, kind of brushed it out with a paintbrush and added some just of my glitter from my stash. And then I've taken some snow text and I've put that on where there was snow on the branches already, and then add a little glitter to that. I had an additional bird in my stash. I'm not sure what it was from, but I added a little glue to his belly, or her belly, and added some glitter to that. I also had some pre-made poinsettias, just tiny ones. I think they're about, yeah, probably about 1.5 inches, and then they're curled up, so they're just a little under that. I have a piece of a pine pick that's got some fake snow on it, and I've got some pearl beads here. This is dry. I'm just going to let that phone go. I will call them back. It's not that important. And I think we need some decorative paper on the back. So I'm going to take, this is also Authentique, and this is from the Solitude Collection. This is from that same line. And I'm going to just sit this on there and draw a circle around this. There we go. And we're just going to cut this out. A bit smaller than what it is on the thing. This is just going to cover up that ribbon on the back. And you don't have to do this. You could save your cardstock. You could add just regular cardstock in color and do that too. It really doesn't matter. I just got to get this smaller so it fits on there. And there we go. That looks about right. Let's go ahead and grab some art glitter glue. We'll use that to glue this on here with. Go. that so I can press on it good. There. So now I just have to be careful because I know that snow is still wet. I'm going to make sure I do another test fit. Okay, it looks pretty good. So with this, I'm going to put some hot glue in the center here because that kind of sinks down in. And we want to make sure we got our bird facing right here. Just like that. And gently press that. Gently press it down. Not hurting anything. My glitter on the bird himself is dry. It's just where the snow was that's still kind of wet. There. Alright, so then we're going to take this, and I want this kind of glued down in the bottom. Oh, we better get our pearls in first, because otherwise we won't be able to get down in there very good. Alright, let's start a bead of glue right down in here, just like that. And we're going to run that right back in there. Go. I'm just kind of pressing my glue gun right up along the edge. So it's not getting all over the place. Just like that. This will be a nice quick project, I believe. Here, up. There we go. There. So far we got that down in there. Go. All right, now we can get this down in here. And I do want part of it sticking out. So I'm going to put my hot glue just on that stem. Bring this down in there a second. I'm going to use this to kind of hold that down in there. Whoops. Because that's got to dry. And forcing it down in there, you gotta kind of hold it till the glue starts setting up, because otherwise it'll want to pull away. There we go. Yep, see, wants to pull away. We just have to be patient and hold it for a little bit. Sometimes that's kind of hard to do, is to not be patient for a few seconds here. But hot glue grabs a lot faster than anything else. Oh, good. Okay. So I think this little bird here would look cute along this edge. Let me see if I can get them down. Just like that. Oh yeah, just stick them right in there like that. I think that's cute. Oops, he's got a pop dot there. And I want to say, okay, I'm going to run my glue right along in here, just like that. Take a look. Oh yeah, right there. Just trying to see where my glue is. There we go. Oopsie. It's getting kind of cute, isn't it? There we go. Give it more dimension. And we do have our little poinsettia let's go ahead and set that down inside of there. Cover up that branch a little. Get that one like that. Get this one down in here. Yeah, stick that one down in there. Just a little dab here. We're gonna get that out of our way, just like that. I think I have some sequins out here, but you know, I don't really think we need it. I think that's like just the right amount. So we're going to quit there. And again, this was week number 15 of 52 weeks of Christmas. If you're not familiar, it's a challenge I've created for myself, because it always seems like Christmas comes and goes in a flash. I never get enough time to do all the little crafts and things that I would like to do. So I challenged myself this year to do 52 different Christmas things, one each week. So, and then maybe by Christmas time I'll feel like I've actually gotten some of them accomplished that I've been trying to get done for years. I hope you like my videos, and I hope you want to follow along. Please join in by subscribing to my channel. And when you do subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified when I put up new videos. I usually do 2 to 3 videos a week. I do crafts, mini albums, Christmas crafts, of course, because of my 52 weeks. I also do shadow box layouts and folios. So just keep in touch and check in, and thumbs up is always appreciated. So until the next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.